Hello, I'm KJ, and this is QuestForge. This is part of a larger site where I did a lot of experimenting with AI game modes, and here is the agentic workflow that I'm most proud of. So first, we're told to describe an adventure, so I'll go ahead and say a space knight in a fantasy world fighting against forces of evil. And why don't I just add like a tragically? There we go. And then so here we're instantly able to see the four agents that we have. So the narrative architect takes care of like the entire workflow or the entire quest line, the entire quest line. So conclusion, like making sure everything's cohesive. This is like then sent to the level designer who implements the more specific chapter to chapter thing. There's like three chapters I think in the I said in the prompt. And then as for the content scribe, that's like the one who writes like the text, and that's their responsibility. And then the last one, which was the loot box master, that was the one who kind of this is a reward based like quest system, so it gives a reward based on whether they got through or not. So here I'll get started. And this is meant to be like a really interactive adventure where you're essentially typing and reading. On chapter complete, we get to see our stats and head to the next chapter. Then we're on to the third and final one. So the one before this was just um, the narrative architect is the one who makes sure there's like a climax and there's like the following actions. That's what we have here. A little bit more of conclusion to the quest. And the goal with this was to combine sort of multiple genres to create a fun interactive experience. So we finished the last one, so now we gain access to a reward, and this is what the last agent takes care of. And actually, now that we get this quest, there's another part of the game where where we unlock artifacts, and this is the exact artifact that I just gained, and we're able to utilize this in game. And this is like a sort of AFKable game, reminiscent of like um, popular clicker genres and idle games. And that's QuestForge. Thank you for taking the time to watch.